This video, I will show you the Shopify checkout setting. Let's get started. So as you can see, when you head over to your cart right here, you should be able to see this cart. So if you head over and click on checkout, as you can see, we have this checkout is available. In order to make this available, you need to pick a plan and you need to edit your checkout by editing your theme. So to head over and edit it, just head over in here on your dashboard, click on settings right here. First thing you need to do is click on plan. And then from in there, just choose a plan that you want is applicable to you. When you click on choose plan right here, you should be able to see the Shopify plan that should be applicable to you. So if you're a solo entrepreneur, this is good for you. If you have a small team, this is good for you. If you have a very big business, then these two are the ones that you need to consider. So let's head back. Then in here, you should be able to see also this checkout settings. Under this checkout settings, you just need to put in here the customer contact method. You can contact them via phone number, email, or just need to choose email right here. And you can also show a link for customers to track their order with Shop. And in here, you should be able to see also the customer information, only require last name, or you can also require first and last name. You can also include the company name as well as the address line. So let's make this required. And then we can also put in here the shipping address, phone number. Let's make this required as well in order to faster shipping. And then in here, you can also see the marketing options, shipping right here. You can also enable that if you want. So see here in the address collection preferences, as well as order processing and post-purchase page. So I have an app here that features a checkout after payment has been submitted to the customer. You can make this sell easy applicable in order to set up a post-purchase pages. You'll also see here the order tracking page and the checkout language and all of that. After you're done editing the settings for your checkout, just head over and save on that. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to head over in here on our payments in order to actually receive the payment. So you can choose to bind your PayPal, or you can also choose to provider on this very long list that actually Shopify offers. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.